Me again. The piece of apparatus I'm going to show you today is to perform something called reflux. Reflux is just essentially boiling a reaction mixture without all of the solvent evaporating, and there are a couple of things that we do to do that. Firstly, we have a heating mantle. This is essentially something that just gets really hot, and then we use this so that we don't have a naked flame, because sometimes the solvents that we have in our flask are flammable if we have a naked flame. That's not going to be a good mixture. So we have our reaction mixture in our round bottom flask, and then we put one of these things on top. Now this is a reflux condenser, and I want to show you the wrong way of connecting it up. Okay, so we've got all these tubes here. We've got the one that comes from the tap and it goes in. Problem is, if I put it in the top and I turn it on, what happens, I'm hoping you can see this on the camera, is that the water comes in, but then it just drains out because the level of the water is just in there at the moment. Okay? I don't want it there. If I turn it the other way up, however, it fills from the bottom all the way to the top, and then it comes out and goes down the drain. So the water fills up a jacket which is around a hollow cylinder, and then that can slide into there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up. I'm going to put some water in here with just some purple dye, and after a while I will start to see it boil, and you should see the steam coming up, hitting the cold jacket, and then condensing back into water and dripping back down into the water. So I'm going to set this up for you, and we should see this happening. So give me a moment and I'll be back.